Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Ariel Diaz, and today we're gonna take a quick look at all my Apple devices. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Let's get into all my Apple products. So here we have the iPad 16 gigabyte, the 3rd generation. Still in good condition. I like to take care of all my devices. So this 3rd generation iPad is disabled. I think my daughters were messing with it and it's been disabled for like months and months. And then we're gonna move on to the iPhone 6s. It's still in great condition. It just feels really nice and smooth. It's nice and compact. And here we have, I remember when this phone came out, the iPhone 5s. Do you guys remember this? How cool the design was? The cool thing about this is that the new iPhone 12 that are coming out at the end of this year, I believe, according to the rumors, October or November, due to the whole pandemic, this is gonna have the same design. This is also in good condition. And this is the iPhone 4, which actually this is my wife's old iPhone. This is the white iPhone 4. And this one, when this came out after the iPhone 3G, this body was really squared and it felt good in the hand. It's nice, small and compact. And now that when I'm using my iPhone 11 Pro Max, it's like obviously a huge difference. But I just like the feeling of the small phone on my hands. And then this is the upgrade to the 4. So this is the iPhone 4S. Pretty much the same, it just has a few different changes inside. And this phone is in awesome condition. No scratches, no dents, no nothing. And the main one for my collection. This is the original iPad. Original. The 1st gen iPad. It's just the small things that make me happy. Like in this iPad, the buttons are all black. You guys remember that wallpaper? And let's see if we can get you closer to listen. Oh my god, look. So I'm gonna lock it. And let's see if you guys can listen to when I slide it open. Oh my god, that was satisfying. It's still in great condition. The locking the screen, I don't know if you can hear it. I remember that noise. This one is disabled, as you guys can see. You see all these. This one is not working, the battery's dead. And then here you have the original. Again, let's listen to the noise to unlock. Nice. You guys remember how iTunes and the App Store used to look? And look at the message app and the calendar and the notes. This brings back memories, and the photos as well. Safari, it still works really well. And now for the current Apple devices that I use on a daily basis. We're gonna start off with my Apple Earpods. So these I use every day when I'm editing or listening to music. And my daily driver, well, my only phone that I have that I'm using is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I got the midnight green, which I can't wait to see the new one that's coming out late this year. It's gonna have a new color. It's gonna be like a navy blue color. So that's gonna be cool. Either I go for that or the matte black, which I'm thinking so far the matte black. Because like I said in my previous video,
matte black all day, every day.
And I'm not sure, they're gonna come out with 4 iPhones this year, I believe. And I'm thinking I'm gonna go down to the little smaller size, just because I like I said before, this size of the iPhone 6s or even maybe the iPhone XR. That's that 6.1 inch. And I feel like that's a good size for my hands. I mean, I got big hands, but this sometimes when I'm using it with one hand, I have to like slide it up like that. I mean, I'm used to it, but I feel like I may just go back down to the 6.1 inch, but we'll see. Next up, my favorite now. This is my laptop replacement, the laptop that I never had. So this is my iPad Pro 2020. And here we have the Magic Keyboard. If you guys haven't seen the unboxing of the Magic Keyboard, I'll put the links down below so you guys can check that out and see. But yeah, this is my iPad Pro 2020 with the Magic Keyboard. So this is my daily driver as well as my computer. And let's not forget my Apple Watch. So I have the Series 4 and I have a case on it. Of course, I have a black case on it and I'm gonna take it off. So I got the regular gold version. And the reason why I got this gold version and not the black one is because at the time when I had the iPhone XS Max, I got it in gold. It was a new color and I decided to match and get the gold watch. But I don't think I'm gonna go back to gold ever again. I mean, it was a nice color, but then I always got cases that were all black all the time. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna continue with the whole black everything. The thing that I love about this watch is they're constantly updating the software in this with new health features. So that is pretty much my Apple collection for the moment, because I'm gonna obviously still continue collecting Apple things. But yeah, if you're new to the channel and you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Guys, stay safe. Peace.